Yes, so this is the second try, if it wasn't the rumor. The first time the companies tried to merge at the end of last year. It also didn't take long to to fall apart. This was the second time, and we don't exactly know what happened, but my view was that the takeout price for Humana, the companies will not agree upon, and that's probably the reason. Over the last 11 months, Humana lost half of its market cap. It's very difficult. Obviously, Cigna is a much better place to pitch the merger, but also when you were trading at twice the market cap just a few months ago,
right.
It's difficult to agree on price.
And they couldn't really adjust that at this stage, with Humana stock now having dropped so much in the meantime?
That's what I'm thinking. It wasn't confirmed. The only thing that Cigna said that they're not pursuing the merger, but price is probably the reason for it, the agreement on the price.
All right, so Cigna is an insurance company.
Yes.
Humana is a healthcare services provider?
No. So Cigna and Humana are both health insurance companies.
Both health insurance.
Cigna has a huge pharmaceutical benefit manager, Express Script, if you remember. Yep. They acquired it a few years ago. It's one of the top three. Humana and also Cigna focuses more on the commercial business, which is employer-based insurance, while Humana is focusing on Medicare, people who are over 65.
Got it. And you got to think now, Cigna's stock up a good bit today. They've done a lot of share buybacks. Would think that that's going to be now the strategy going forward. Coming back to those again.
Yeah.
What else do you do when you're not about to spend a couple $2 billion on another company?
You basically
probably feel a lot richer.
Yeah, but you basically they're expanding their expanding their pharmacy business. Part of the Express Script, that's where the tailwinds are over the next few years, and just stugging along, trying to, cut costs and improve revenue. That's basically the business model.
All right, so healthcare investors, they woke up Wednesday morning last week. What did the election mean for the healthcare space? So
for healthcare space, it's very broad, but for example, for health insurers, basically, it's Trump's win is positive for Medicare Advantage companies, rule of thumb, sort of like Humana. And there's an overhang for Medicaid insurance companies like Centene and Molina because of the work requirements possibilities and also Obamacare subsidies expiring at the end of the 2024.